Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope we are good. All right, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you um a setup. Okay, this setup that I want to share with you is a VIP setup, guys, but I decided to do it here on YouTube for you guys to um enjoy a real price action setup. Okay, so we are not going to be using any indicator for this particular strategy, and this strategy is simple, easy, and profitable, guys. So now it's a pure price action strategy which I've been using for a while. I just decided to share this VIP strategy here so that you can actually start making money with something very simple and easy to picture whenever you're on your chart. So you can do this on both volatility and maybe boom and crash. And even though if you are trading currency, this strategy is also effective when you are trading currency pair. So how do we use this strategy? You can see I'm already on a trade right now, and I'm hoping to get at least the first target is 1:1 or more. Then from there we are going to be pushing it higher to the next level, which is more than 1:4, guys. Okay, 1:4 around, that is this area. It's more than 1:4. Okay, risk reward. So how do I enter this trade? I say this is a clear or pure price action um, with no indicator. The indicator I have in my on my screen now is just the indicator I use for something else. Okay, so first you need to go to a higher time frame. So the I don't know, most of us have heard about this triple touch stuff. Okay, but if you have not heard about triple touch, let me just explain this a little bit. So if the price is trending to the upside, okay, when you have this and this, from here you'll be able to connect your trend line, right? So this becomes a valid trend line. So a trend line is simply a diagonal line that connects two or more swing. Okay, this one is swing low, okay, so this is swing high. So if you connect a diagonal line here again, this is a valid trend line. This particular line too is also a valid trend line. Okay, so now if you now have this trend line, okay, being touched 3 times, experience backtesting trading life have it that whenever the price is touching a trend line 3 times, okay, that particular three um the point where the trend line is being touched, okay, the third time is a higher probability trade setup. So what do I mean? So if the price is pushing to the upside, and maybe from here you have this first touch, have this second touch, and now this third touch, you have the first one, the second one, that makes this particular trend line a valid trend line. So the third touch should be the target that everybody will be waiting for. Population push the market, right? So this particular third touch becomes a point or an area of value, okay, or area of interest where everybody is going to be waiting for the price or looking out for to do something. Okay, so whenever you see this third touch, it's always a higher probability trade setup for traders who trade price action. So this is exactly how this strategy or this setup I'm about to share with you is developed, right? So for you to understand like some advanced concept of trend line, that's one of the reasons why I'm sharing this. Okay, so if you look right here, this price is actually trending to the upside, guys. Okay, this is a clear uptrend in the market. From here you can see clearly trending to the upside. So this is daily time frame. Okay, so if you pay close attention, you are still going to see the same thing I'm talking about. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, and this is third touch. We have 1, 2, 3 touches when the price is touching a trend line the third time. Now this first touch right here, this trend line is still not valid. This is where the trend line becomes valid. So everybody have seen that this is a valid trend line. Now we are now waiting for opportunity to to buy whenever the price return to the trend line, which is this retracement now. So at this point, a lot of people who that is trend line traders, price action traders, are going to be moving in to buy this particular indices right now. Okay, so you want to do the same thing with them. All right, want to do the same thing with them. So that's exactly why this particular point is vital, very important. So if you have been a trend trader, you have been trading using trend line or swing highs, swing lows, and all that, you need to add this to your knowledge. This is an advanced concept of traded market. So if you have not been paying attention to this, that's exactly what you need to be doing. Okay, so now when you have this, okay, so what I do, which is the setup I'm sharing with you now, is when I discover these triple touches, I don't just buy here, because if you look right here, we have this is daily time frame. So if you buy, you might be having some pullback that will help you, like you are going to be in losses for some time. So instead of that, and if you buy and you set your stop loss maybe below here, you are risking high, like you are exposing a lot of money from your account. Okay, so instead of doing that here, I have to move to a lower time frame and wait for another triple touches to the upside in a lower time frame. So what do I mean? I just have to go down to like 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, I have a mini trend. You guys know about trend within a trend, right? So let me still share this. I'm just sharing a lot of premium stuff with you guys here in this video. Now if the price is trending to the upside, let's say the price is up, okay, so in this trend, this might be the overall trend or the higher time frame, but when you go to a lower time frame, you are going to see that inside this trend you are still going to have some trend again. Okay, so this particular point, we have trend within trend, the same uptrending market. Okay, so that becomes a trend, a sub trend or mini trend. So this is an important stuff to take note of. Okay, so now we have a higher time frame. On the daily time frame, you have these triple touches, then you move into the trend on a lower time frame like 1 hour, and we still have the trend, a trend within a trend. And on that trend within a trend, you make sure you are picturing or you are getting that 1, 2, 3 touches again, right? You have the first touch, have the second touch, and you have the third touch. I don't know whether you are getting this. I'm just trying to expose you to something that once you use this, guys, this is going to be a life-changing this, in fact, it's going to be one of the best videos you have watched on YouTube and even in this my channel. All right, so now you have this second time, the triple touch on a lower time frame. So you now have confluence both on the higher time frame and lower time frame. All right, so now once you have this, you start making your entry. But one more thing, guys, I want to share with you one more thing about this strategy. Okay, one more thing, how to filter the exact point you are going to enter, or how to confirm this bullish run, okay, at this point. So before then, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to this channel, please like this video. Okay, like the video and also share the video. Leave a good comment in the comment section. All right, so don't forget I have a Telegram group. If you want to join, it's free of charge. Just click the link in my bio or in the description of my video to join the Telegram group. So people keep asking me, where is the link, where is the link? Just click when you are watching the video. You are going to see the description down. Click there in the description. You are going to see the link I embedded. Then you can, from there join my Telegram group. All right, so that's that for that. So one more thing I want to share with you is how to filter your entry to make sure that you are making the best entry. Now you have seen the confluence on a between the higher time frame and the lower time frame. Understand? We have already talked about the triple touches on a higher time frame and on the lower time frame. Okay, now it's time for us to get the best entry. And how do you get this best entry? When you see this here, you now switch to a lower time frame, like 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so on 15 minutes time frame, we are having a reversal pattern on a lower time frame, which is the double bottom right here. So double bottom is a reversal pattern, right? So you are not just entering the trade because you saw a triple touches on higher time frame. You are not entering because you have seen the sub trend and you have a confluence again on a lower time frame with these triple touches again, but you are going lower to find out any reversal pattern at that zone. And you can see we have our double bottom right here, and that's exactly what is going to be pushing you into this trade. So I don't know why I'm sharing this strategy here, but I feel like helping people who have been in this channel. This is going to change your life. So once you see this, you enter your trade comfortably. You can see where my stop loss is, and my TP1 is going to be here. TP2 will be up here, and we keep this particular strategy or setup is something you can hold for hours or even the whole day, riding in profit. So that's for this particular video. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like this video. If you are not yet a subscriber, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.